Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. Today's math tutorial is going to be on what is a logarithm. We're going to be focusing on things like base 10 instead of the other bases because base 10 is the most simple to work with. As we all know, that's what we all use in our daily life. It's what we're taught in school, or at least basic school, so we've grown up with this base, so we know it a lot better. What is a logarithm exactly? By definition of the Oxford Dictionary, a logarithm is a number representing a power to which a certain base is raised. Of course, this is paraphrased a little, so you can understand it. But for example, and this is in base 10, log 2 equals 100 because 10 to the second power is 100. The equation for a logarithm is b to the x, where x and b are any real numbers. X can be any real number, any integer, even negative numbers, while b can also be any number, but b represents a base. For example, in base 10, it would be log x equals 10 to the x. Or even in base 2 binary code, log x equals 2 to the x. And this goes for any number, which is why it's b, because b represents any real number. Logarithms can work with any number. For example, the logarithm of x equals 640. If we take base 10, then the logarithm is around 2.8 is around 640. Because 10 to the 2.8 is about 640. Of course, the exact answer goes on forever, but this is a good estimate. Do logarithms and other bases work the same? The answer is yes, they do. If I took the log of 2 in base 8, so reminder, this is base 8. In base 8, log 2 is 64. And log 3 is 512. And this goes on and on. Log 4 is 8 to the 4. Log x is 8 to the x. And it would work with base 2 as well. In base 2, log 2 is 4. Log 3 is 8. And log 4 is 16, and so on. So on until you get log x equals 2x. Oh, that looks like an 8. Log x equals 2 to the x. So that's why the equation log x equals b to the x is true, because logarithms in other bases, in all bases, work the exact same. Well, in case you were asking, where do logarithms occur? Where are they used? Well, they're used almost everywhere in the real world. That may be an exaggeration, but they are used for pretty important scientific matters. Logarithms in the real world are used in calculating sound, chemistry, earthquakes, calculating frequency in earthquakes, and finding the brightness of stars. So logarithms are really useful to science and scientists for finding these types of things. And they're also good to know in higher algebras and calculus and other higher maths. But if you just wanted to know where logarithms are used, this is where they're used. Sadly enough, we do have to end this video because that's all I have to show and tell you about logarithms. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you already knew about logarithms, I hope you just found something fun to review. And if you didn't know about these, I hope you learned something cool and interesting to you, because these functions are quite extraordinary and I really like them. However, I don't know what I'm going to be talking about in my next video, but I know there will be a next video. As always, have a great day, night, or whenever you choose to watch this.